Hey guys, Taiga here, and this is my $1,000 gaming PC build for the month of April, the dark chocolate. For the heart of the build, I decided to choose the Intel Core i5-6500 for just under $200. This is a safe bet for any type of a build. It's a quad-core processor running at 3.2 GHz. Being it's their 6th generation i5 processor, it's based on their latest and greatest Skylake microarchitecture. Sadly, since it's not unlocked, it is not overclockable. So if you want that overclockable feature, you can upgrade to the Core i5-6600K, which is $40 more, but I personally think that it's not worth it. The next big piece in the build literally is the MSI R9390. It's one of the best GPUs considering its price point of under $330. It has 8GB of GDDR5 memory, which is ridiculously insane, and has a core clock of 1060 MHz, which can be overclocked. And in most benchmarks, it outperforms the similarly priced GTX 970. If you want to see benchmarks, I'll have some links down below, as well as all the other parts in this build. The dark chocolate has 16GB of Kingston HyperX Fury RAM, which is DDR4 running at 2133 MHz, and for just under $70, this is a great choice. And 16GB of RAM is plenty for running games and editing videos. Connecting all these parts, we have the MSI B150 Gaming M3 motherboard. There's nothing too crazy here other than that it follows the red and black color scheme and has the LG A1151 socket. For just $100, this was a solid board. As for storage, I decided to choose the Samsung Evo 250GB SSD. This is where you store Windows and all your essential programs. With the SSD, I decided to pair it with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive. This is to store all your files and media. For power, I decided to go with the Corsair CX600 semi-modular power supply. The 600 watts should be plenty to power the system, and it's 80+ bronze certified to keep things power efficient. Since it's semi-modular, you can leave some unnecessary cables out of the way, which is nice and helps the cable management. Putting it all in a case, I decided to choose the well-known NZXE H440. It's just a really good looking case, and it was just really easy to work with. Building all this together, the dark chocolate is no joke for $1,000. And a quick shout out to my friend Michael Neal, which I helped him build this PC. Well, that's basically, guys. That was the $1,000 gaming PC build known as the dark chocolate. If you like this PC build, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more similar content like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.